In this video, I will show you how to install CentOS in VirtualBox. For that, you need to download CentOS first. In Google, you can search and you can download the ISO file. And I have downloaded the ISO file already. So go to this VirtualBox, machine, new, CentOS. If CentOS option is not available, just select Red Hat only. CentOS 7. And I will keep RAM as some 4 GB. Create hard disk, VDI, dynamic allocator. Instead of 8 GB, I will keep some 30 GB. Go to settings, and in the network, I will select bridged so that I will get the IP address. I'll keep allow all. You can select Ethernet connection if it is connected to LAN connection wide. In the storage, select this empty. Choose a disk file. In T drive software, I have CentOS 7 I am selecting that. Click OK and click on start. And just click start. In this one, select first option by keyboard. And just continuing. And leave it all defaults. Just changing to India. Done. And in this one, just keep everything minimal. But the main thing is partition you need to select. Just click done. And in the network, by default it is showing as not connected. Just click that and make it on, and you can change the host name here. I'm keeping uh, test mission as the name of this, and click apply. You can change, see it got updated here. Click done. So this one is mandatory because by default CentOS will disable the network, and again we need to do so many manual configurations later. And click on begin install. You can set password for root user, and also you can create a user, because using root user is direct root user will create security issues. Just make it as mandatory. Click done. Um, you can see the progress here. While it is still installing, we can set this root password and create the user and all. Once everything is done, the system will reboot. So I will just pause here. So until the progress completes. So now the installation is complete and it is waiting for reboot. When I click on reboot, the machine will restart. You can ignore these warning messages, period and done. Just enter. The second option is for rescue media. Admin user. P space A spaces will show the IP address. The second option ENPOS03. The first one is the loopback address, second one is the IP address. For confirmation, yeah, and we need to install SSH sudo yum install -i y open ssh server. While entering password, it won't be visible here, not even stars. Okay, OpenSSH is already installed. So the thing is, we can IP ifconfig net type and tools. Yeah. Now we type ifconfig, you can see that 192.168.0.10. So you can connect through any SSH client like putty to this VM from here onwards by using the IP address. That's it.